so cold down here.
I know. Oh, how about you record it, okay?
Okay.
I wonder what he's doing.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna light up. That was cool.
That was so loud. I had to plug my ears. It was so loud that I had to plug my ears. Oh god.
There's more.
That one's gonna be an absolute nightmare. That one. Oh my god.
Oh, what? What just turned on?
The light just turned on.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
What's he doing? Oh.
Oh.
It's just pop.
Oh my god, that one's gonna be so loud.
Oh. Gonna be really loud. Smells bad.
I know. Oh Jesus! I wonder it was so loud. My heart is actually racing.
Look, if you like zoom out, the screen turns black.
I know. We did it in. Okay.
You can.
No, I actually wanted you to hold it because I need the hands to plug my ear because it was loud. I'm not sure about this one. This one's gonna.
But like, my hands are hurting.
It's just your other hand. Okay, it's just only.
No,
this.
both of my hands are hurting actually.
Oh. Just.
You can just do this.
Yeah, just. No, it's. I feel like it's gonna. I just do that. Just. It's gonna be so loud. He's trying to open like the fuse, but like the fuse is like really short. It's gonna be like so quick. There isn't anything to like hold the thing. It was so loud. Oh my god. Holy Jesus.
Oh, okay. It's not working.
It's not letting it. See, it's not going yet because
Why does the light keeps turning on?
I don't know, maybe someone's trying to turn it on.
Or maybe someone's just like.
Yeah, the fuse is like, it got separated.
That was so cool.
That was amazing.
Yeah. Look at all the smoke.
Oh my god, yeah, all the smoke up there. The baby's crying because she's scared.
Aww.
Oh Jesus. Okay, I'm pausing the video.